Hey everyone! The Xiaomi Mijia Garment Steamer 2 feels like a natural evolution of Xiaomi's home appliance lineup, blending practicality with a surprisingly refined feature set for its price range. Positioned as an affordable yet capable vertical steamer, it targets users who want quick, effective garment care without the bulk or hassle of a traditional ironing setup. From the first impression, the steamer emphasizes convenience and efficiency. Whether dealing with thick cotton shirts or heavier fabrics like linen, the steam pressure is consistent thanks to the 500 kilopascal electromagnetic pump, which maintains a steady flow even during extended sessions. One of the standout aspects is its dual heating system, which separates the boiler for the main unit and the iron head. This design allows the steamer to produce what Xiaomi calls micron-level dry steam. In practice, this means fabrics don't end up damp after steaming, which is a common issue with lower-end devices. Clothes feel refreshed rather than wet, making it suitable for quick touch-ups before heading out. The 65-second heat-up time further reinforces its convenience, keeping downtime minimal and making it easy to integrate into a daily routine. Temperature control is another area where the device shows attention to detail. With 6 dedicated modes tailored to different fabrics, the steamer removes much of the guesswork typically associated with garment care. Switching between delicate silk and sturdier linen feels safe and controlled, thanks to the NTC temperature regulation system that keeps heat levels stable. This not only protects fabrics, but also ensures consistent results, especially when working with mixed wardrobes. The ironing experience itself is enhanced by the large 8.75-inch ceramic glazed panel, which glides smoothly across fabric. It distributes heat evenly and avoids snagging, giving it a more premium feel than expected at this price point. The ability to switch between wet and dry ironing modes adds flexibility, allowing users to either deeply remove wrinkles or simply shape and finish garments depending on the situation. In terms of usability, Xiaomi clearly focused on making the steamer approachable. The inclusion of a color display for temperature adjustments gives it a modern touch, making controls intuitive rather than mechanical or outdated. Safety and storage features round out the experience nicely. The automatic shutoff after 8 minutes of inactivity is a reassuring addition, especially for users who may forget to power down appliances. The heat-resistant silicone pad and integrated cable storage show that Xiaomi considered post-use handling as much as active use, reducing clutter and improving overall convenience. Beyond basic steaming, the device also leans into hygiene benefits. The high-temperature steam is marketed for eliminating mites and achieving near-complete sterilization, which aligns with growing interest in garment sanitation. While real-world effectiveness can vary depending on usage, it undeniably adds value for those looking to refresh clothes beyond just appearance, especially when dealing with odors or lightly worn items. Overall, the Xiaomi Mijia Garment Steamer 2 stands out as a well-balanced product that delivers strong performance without overcomplicating the experience. It combines solid steam power, thoughtful temperature control, and user-friendly design into a package that feels more premium than its price suggests. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, I look forward to them in the comments. Have a nice day, and God bless you.